actually know what I'm gonna do today, but I just installed this awesome... Oh, and I also got Flip a Clip, just so you know. I just installed this awesome game. It's called Angry Birds Evolution. It's like the so I guess it's like the new thing in Angry Birds. It's like, not like the old Angry Birds, it's like the new Angry Birds. Here's your daily reward. And I also played this for a little bit. I actually know what to do. Checking every day for daily quests, so I can put you for tomorrow. I don't want to read all of that because I'm lazy. And I'm also eating cherries. Oh. Ugh. Daily task. Win 3 battles. Okay, I'm going to turn this down because this is too loud. I'm going to level up. I'll just hatch a bird in the hatching hunt. Starters pack. Huh, oh dang it. I think you gotta buy this. What is this? No, I don't want to do this. I'm just gonna, So when I was like a noob, I used to do Roblox hacks, but it didn't actually work. So, I don't actually have to do that. I want to edit my team. I want to unlock that so bad. Someone has to die today. But I don't want to get rid of her because she's perfect and I never had a white bird before. Not trying to be racist. Oh my gosh! We have a black bird and a white bird. Oh my gosh, I am... It's just... We'll fight the boss with the weakest of fruits. What about that? Hope this works. Okay. Sorry that I paused it, guys. Sorry. Whoa, I got a lot of these. I want to go for the boss first, because the boss is the hardest. I thought that would make my day. I mean, do luck for me, but I guess it's not going to. Actually, I want to retreat, because I don't want to fight him. Okay, I'll just fight them with the strongest recruits I have. I don't want to level them up because that means to like destroy my other birds, so I'm not going to level them up. Okay, so the boss is almost dead. Man, come on! But that's not going to do anything. They're still going to have the same... Ooh, that got me an egg. I want to die from this. No! Dang it! And I got an egg. This is hard, guys. Okay, so I have to put it at the right angle to hit him. There we go. These attacks are strong. Yes, I destroyed the boss. No. Okay. If I hit this dude. Yes! Yes! I defeated him! Woo! Oh my goodness! Yes, I defeated him! Yes. Okay. We can now find team battle where you can join forces with other players to earn bonus rewards. Oh yeah, I want to do that. That is so cool. We have the organ. Now what? Anyone know how to use it? Oh, it's so pretty. I want him. I want you. Okay, let's level up. Let's level up you. So you know, let's level up you with her. So now he's on level 5. Wait, I got an achievement. Okay, so let's see. Let's do the Scouts Can Find Gem Pigs. Or whatever. Ooh, that's free. Ooh. Don't you know that? This is kind of pretty. I don't want to pause it because I want you guys to see this. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that dude, like there. I like his, things. What just happened? Oh, he looks so cute and purr. Free hatch. Ooh, oh my gosh. I got Morton again. Okay, I got another achievement. I just need 2 achievements and I get 25. Let's see. Let's go to my locations. Let's go here. Oh, wait, no. I want to go here first. We gotta go here now? You gotta level up some people. I'll just buy it. Okay, we're gonna team up with the team. Sorry I wasn't. I was just... You made the right choice. Bring me along. Let's make some bacon. Okay, so he only has like... one... Hey, never ever hit my friend again. Because you're messing with the wrong person here. What is this? Oh. And we got an egg. Oh my gosh, I never had reds on my team before. Did I unlock new avatars? Yeah, I did. Let's do this one. So the frame is still locked. Booby? Wait, who said booby? What? Gotta love you guys up, don't we? Well, I don't need her on my team anymore, so let's level you guys up. Oh yeah, I don't have enough coins. Let's just fight. This Flavio. Ooh, this is one battle between us and Major Pecker. So Flavio is like really important, and I should keep him because they said that the glowing birds are like really rare. So if you guys already know that, then yeah, okay. Oh, what happened? Ooh, she's ready to. You can just. Ooh, I'm gonna kill them. Kill them with kindness. Kill them. Kill him. I didn't kill them at all with kindness. Kill him with kindness. Kill him. I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. I hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.